A political storm is building in Frisco, a rapidly growing city in Texas, where a social media video it has triggered a wider debate about identity, immigration, and belonging. And at the center of this controversy is Elijah Schaffer, who posted a video mocking Indian origin candidate contesting local elections. As he walked past campaign sites, he made very sarcastic comments about their names, questioning whether they sounded American enough, turning what could have been a routine political moment into a national flashpoint. Well, in the video, he targets names like Sri Krishna, Srinath Reddy, in fact, Vijay Karthik, using humor and exaggeration that many viewers they found offensive. Well, what begins as mockery of names gradually shifts into a broader commentary about identity and demographics. The remarks they move far beyond individuals and begin to reflect on communities, religion, and changing the face of the city, raising concern about how diversity is being portrayed in public disclosure. The video it was shared with a caption, by the way, suggesting that America is changing and that immigrants are taking over. Language that quickly drew strong reactions online. Now here many users they criticized the post, calling it decisive, inappropriate, while pointing out that the candidates being mocked, they are legal residents actively participating in a democratic process. For them, this was not just about joke, it was about respect, it was about representation. In fact, the backlash, it also highlighted a deeper irony here. The United States has long been shaped by immigration, with generations of people from different backgrounds contributing to its growth. So, ladies and gentlemen, this has led many to question where the line should be drawn between political debate and discrimination, specifically when identity becomes the focus instead of policy. This incident also highlights a broader trend in parts of political landscape, where discussions around immigration, H-1B visa, and demographic changes are becoming more and more intense. Critics argue that such narratives often single out specific communities, including Indians, who play a very important role in sectors like healthcare, technology, and businesses across the country. In fact, look at the timing. Timing adds another layer to the issue. With local elections approaching, what should ideally be a conversation about governance, development, it has instead shifted towards identity and cultural debates. The focus for many observers, it has moved away from politics and onto personal backgrounds and names. In fact, as the discussion continues, larger questions are emerging about diversity, inclusion, and the nature of modern democracies. Can society really embrace change while maintaining unity? How should political conversation evolve in increasingly multicultural environment? These are the questions that go far beyond one city or one video. In the end, this controversy shows how even something as simple as a name, it can change how people are actually taking Indian origin in the US.